Pfaff is known for their IDT system, or like integrated dual feed. This little lever pulls down from the back with just 2 fingers and releases by pulling down and away from you. Now, here's a few tricks about using this. Number 1, your machine will tell you when you need to have that engaged. And there'll be stitches when you won't see that little symbol and it'll have a different foot on. So for example, for stitch number 7, it wants foot 2A, and 2A does not have the little groove for the IDT to sit in. So make sure that if you put a foot on that doesn't have the groove, you've got to disengage it. So when you are putting a foot on for a stitch that it recommends, and boy does this make it easy, just follow the screen really. This one is for a straight stitch 0A, and it has the dual feed foot reference, so I'll want to make sure to pull it down. Here's the biggest thing. If you do not have it down and all this space behind the needle is loose and floppy, you are not going to probably get great feeding. This is really designed to have a set of feed dogs on the top of your fabric, just like you have a set of feed dogs below the fabric. So easily pulling things together nice and even. If you have sheer fabric, oh, you're going to notice a difference of how perfect it goes through. Slippery fabrics, satins, things that are like minky fabrics, and really even your fleeces, you're going to notice a difference. And for all you quilters, as soon as you put a layer of batting between 2 pieces of cotton, those layers want to shift and not come out nice and even. Just pull that IDT down and stitch. It's very similar to a walking foot. It's giving that same pull as those layers go underneath the presser foot and through the machine.